Mr. Basso, aged 62, is very overweight with a body mass index of 41. He is 175 centimetres tall and his serum creatinine is 160. What is his estimated creatinine clearance based on his ideal body weight? So we need to use two equations in this one. So firstly, we need to calculate his ideal body weight. And we're given the equation there that ideal body weight is equal to a constant plus 0.91 times by the height in centimetres minus 152.4. We know that the constant is 50 in men and it's 45.5 in women. So this man, his ideal body weight therefore is 50 plus 0.91 times by his height in centimetres. Always look out for whether you're using centimetres or metres. So it's centimetres, 175 minus 152.4. And that works out at 50 plus 0.91 times by 22.6. And that works out at an ideal body weight of 70.57. So we can then put that into our equation for estimated creatinine clearance. So estimated creatinine clearance is equal to 140 minus the age in years times by the weight, but we're using ideal body weight, times by constant, all divided by the serum creatinine, and that gives us 140 minus his age, which is 62, times by his ideal body weight, 70.57, times by the constant, which is 1.23 for a man. That's all divided by his serum creatinine, which we know is 160. So that gives us a figure of 77 times by, so just make sure I'm on the right example here. Sorry, 78. I thought I was looking at the wrong example. 78 times by 70.57 times by 1.23 divided by 160, which gives us a figure of 42.32 mils per minute as his estimated creatinine clearance, which again would indicate moderate to severe renal impairment. So like I said, these questions can look daunting, but you should be given the equations and you can apply that common sense check by using your knowledge of what the different levels of renal impairment are, so that if you get a wild figure like 423 or 0.423, then you know you've gone wrong somewhere with your units.